Advanced protection and energy efficiency are essential for productivity and grid reliability in industrial settings. The PXSDC Semiconductor Circuit Breaker safeguards critical equipment, cuts maintenance, and boosts productivity, ideal for high-voltage, high-current environments. In renewables, stable energy flow and infrastructure protection are vital. The PXSDC Semiconductor Circuit Breaker ensures system reliability. For solar and wind, it offers full protection and efficient distribution, with real-time analytics for proactive performance management. PXSDC, a breakthrough in grid protection and energy management. Built to the highest standards, it handles up to 800 volts DC and 100 amps for dependable performance. PXSDC, powering progress with protection you can trust.